salamin, I will discuss the application of trigonometry. First, we will discuss the SOHCAHTOA.
Okay. SOHCAHTOA. So means sine equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Ka means cosine equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. And to means tangent equals to opposite over adjacent. And these are the formula we will use in some examples.
Example number 1. A tree casts a 12-meter shadow where the angle of elevation of the sun is 25 degrees. How tall is the tree?
Let A equals to height. So, tan theta equals to A over B. Here's the illustration. A is missing. And then tan 25 degree equals to A over 12. Cross multiply. A equals to 12 tan 25 degree. 12 times 0.4663 equals to 5.5956 meter. And the height of the tree is approximately 5.6 meter. Example number 2. A kite in the air has its string tied to the ground. If the length of the string is 50 meter and its inclination to the horizontal is 60 degree, find the height of the kite above the ground when the string is taut. Let A equals to the height of the kite. And here's the illustration. A is missing. Sine theta equals to A over C. Therefore, we have sine 60 degree equals to A over 50 meter. Cross multiply. A equals to 50 times sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is equal to 0.8660. 50 times 0.8660 is 43.3 meter. And the height of the kite above the tree approximately 43.3 meters. And here's the last example. A ladder 8 meter long rests against a vertical wall so that the distance between the bottom of the ladder and the wall is 4.5 meters. Mixed with the ground. And the height of the upper end of the ladder from the ground. And here's the solution. A is missing. And the theta is also missing. We will find for the
the angle of the ladder mixed with the ground. We will use the formula of cosine theta equals to B over C. B is equals to 4.5 meter and C is equals to 8 meter. 4.5 divided by 8 equals to 0.5625. Transpose cosine. Theta is equals to cosine negative times 0.5625. And theta is equals to 55 degree 46 minutes. Find for the A. We will use the Pythagorean theorem. C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared. A squared equals to C squared minus B squared. A squared equals to C is equals to 8 meter and B is equals to 4.5 meter. A squared equals to 64 minus 20.25. A squared equals square both sides. A equals to square root of 43.75. And A equals to 6.6 meter.
And that's all. Thank you.